Good day, ma'am.
I am Kelvin Clyde Bernador.
I am Jennifer Polo,
I am Raymart Oglianda.
and we are here to present the fire cargo hold scenario. Captain, this is Chief Officer. Fire in the cargo hold. We are assessing the situation and starting firefighting procedures.
Understood. Ensure crew safety and contain the fire. Keep me updated.
Attention all crew, attention all crew. Please gather and make a fire team. Okay, fire team. Gear up and second officer, sell the area and start the ventilation.
Noted, sir. Ventilation close, Chief. Preventing oxygen from feeding the fire.
Okay, second noted. Third officer, prepare fire suppression system.
CO system, waiting for confirmation.
Captain. This is Chief Officer. The area is requesting permission to activate CO2 suppression.
Proceed, Chief. Ensure no one is inside.
Attention everyone. Fire is under control. Great job. Everyone, safety first. Always. Attention everyone. This is Chief Engineer. We just lost engine power. Second engineer. Fire, no problem.
Copy, Chief. Copy, Chief. Chief, it's a fuel supply issue. The engine is getting fuel.
Okay, thank you, second. Third engineer. Check the electrical system. Boiler. Look for leaks or overheating.
Copy, Chief. Copy, Chief. Emergency power is holding, Chief, but the generator is unstable. No leaks, but temperature is rising too fast.
This is Chief Officer. Bridge. This is the engine room. We have a sudden engine failure due to fuel supply issue. We are working on it, but we need time.
Understood, Chief. Do everything you can. We need power back.
Attention everyone. You heard the captain. Let's fix this. Quick but safe.
One report. It's starboard side.
Attention everyone. One overboard, starboard side. Second officer, mark the position and alert the bridge.
This is second officer. Bridge. This is the deck team. Man overboard. Starboard side. Marking position now.
This is Chief Officer. Helmsman, lower the ship into the wind and slow down. Third officer, prepare the rescue boat.
Copy, Chief. The ship is in the wind and slow down. Noted, Chief. Rescue boat team, get ready. Life rings overboard now.
Chief, do you have visual on the crew member?
Yes, Captain. It's afloat but struggling. Rescue boat launching now.
We have him. Bring him aboard now. His winches look close.
Bridge. Crew member rescued. We need medical assistance immediately.
Understood. Get him checked and report back. Good work, team.
Attention everyone. Well done. This was fast and coordinated, exactly how should be. Safety first, always. Sincerity help our team stay calm, communicate clearly, and act quickly. It built trust, strengthen teamwork, and ensure a focused response, leading to be a successful